Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, you will learn how to add chapters to your YouTube videos. If you are creating videos containing several or many subjects, it would be better to divide them into sections to make it easier for your viewers to find and watch the topic they are interested in. There is also an advantage in creating chapters for your videos. As a content creator, you know that each video has a title. Creating chapters is like adding a few more titles to your video. Therefore, Google has more information about the contents of your videos. As a result, the possibility of attracting more viewers to your channel will be higher. Now that you know the benefits of creating chapters, let's learn how to add them to your videos. Before adding chapters to a video, you need to follow a few rules. Rule 1. You must begin your first timestamp at 0 minutes, and 0 seconds. Rule 2. You must create a minimum of 3 chapters for each video. You can make more if you want to. Rule 3. All chapters must be at least 10 seconds or 10 seconds apart. Rule 4. Each chapter must have titles. You should give a meaningful or descriptive title to each chapter to make it easy for your viewers to find the section they are interested in watching. For example, if the topic of your video is money management, you can write the title for each timestamp as follows. Remember, you must begin your timestamp with 00:00. At 00:00 space introduction to money management starts. If you want, you can replace the space with a dash. At 1 minute 30 seconds, how to cut your monthly expenses chapter begins. At 5 minutes 0 seconds, how to save money chapter begins. And at 11 minutes 30 seconds, how to grow your money chapter begins. This is how you write chapters. Now I'll open one of my videos in the QuickTime player and show you precisely what you need to do. If you are a Windows user, you can open your movie with the Windows Media Player or VLC. You can also write your chapters inside the YouTube Studio. I prefer to do it on my desktop. It is less cluttered and I can concentrate better. Then I'll copy and paste them into my video description box. First, I click on the play button to listen to the video. This video is about how to block outgoing connections on your Mac. I'll use this title for the introduction. I have already prepared the timestamps to make this video shorter. At 00:00, Introduction to blocking outgoing connections on your Mac starts. I'll continue to listen to find the next chapter. If you want to speed up the process, click on the progress bar where you think a new topic starts or drag the slider. At 00 minutes 57 seconds, how to download and install Lulu Firewall starts. At 5 minutes 6 seconds, how to configure Lulu's preferences starts. At 6 minutes 51 seconds, how to use Lulu to block an app from accessing the internet starts. Just keep listening, stop and type the title for a new chapter. At 9 minutes 11 seconds, explaining Lulu's rules in more detail starts. And at 11 minutes 11 seconds, how to uninstall Lulu chapter starts. If you have a longer video, write the hours, next the minutes, then the seconds. For example, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 seconds. This is how you write it. Once you finish creating the chapters, copy them to the clipboard. Now go to the YouTube website, sign in to your account, click on the profile icon, and from the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. Click on the Content tab in the left sidebar. You will see the list of all your videos. Select the one you want to add chapters to. I'll choose this one. Move your mouse over the video title and click on the details icon. It will take you to the video details page. This is where you enter your video's title, description, and tags. You can also click here to play the video right in the browser, listen, and type your chapters in the description box. I'll paste the chapters into the video description box and click on Save in the upper right corner. Your changes will be updated immediately. If not, you might have to wait for 24 hours. I refresh the page. As you can see, it has been updated. If you click on one of these chapters, it will take you to the section you are interested in watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you learned something new from it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you want to get notifications about future tutorials. Thank you.